In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a PDF flipbook to Framer, a prototyping tool used by designers and developers alike. Let's kick off this process by creating our own interactive flipbook from a PDF file. To do this, you can take advantage of services like Flipbook or Adobe Express. These platforms enable you to transform your standard PDF documents into engaging book-like digital versions, hence the term Flipbook. Just upload your file, and these services will do the rest, providing you with a variety of customization options to make sure that your flipbook is tailored just for you. When you're happy with how your flipbook looks and operates, the next thing to do is to get the embed code. This is a piece of HTML code that the Flipbook service provides you. It's a crucial component because this code is what allows your flipbook to be displayed on other platforms, including Framer. So make sure you find this code, then copy it for later use. Now that you've secured the embed code, it's time to move over to Framer and place the flipbook on your design. To do this, you start by locating the Insert button, which you'll find in the left panel of the Framer editor. If you click on this, you'll be able to search for the Embed component under the Utilities options. Once you've found it, simply drag it onto your Framer work canvas. The next step involves pasting your previously copied code into Framer. In the right-hand Properties panel of the application, you'll find an HTML tab within the Embed component. Select this tab and paste the Flipbook Services embed code. This automatically does the work of integrating your beautiful, interactive flipbook right into your Framer design. Now for the final touches to ensure your new flipbook fits seamlessly into your design. While still within Framer, you can adjust the embed component containing your flipbook. What this entails is making alterations to the size and the position of the embed component on your canvas so that it slots perfectly into your design. You can make it smaller or larger and move it up and down or sideways to suit your particular design layout. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated a PDF flipbook into Framer. By following these steps, you can add an extra layer of interactivity and reader engagement to your design projects or presentations. Now, go and give your creative ideas free rein and let your designs speak for themselves. Happy designing!